Partnering with complementary home service businesses lets pest control owners quickly tap into qualified leads and accelerate client growth. Work with cleaning companies and landscaping firms to create clear referral agreements that specify referral fees, lead handling, and follow-up timelines so both sides know what to expect. Offer bundled introductory offers where a homeowner who signs for a first pest inspection through a partner receives a combined discount or phased service plan. Keep pricing simple and state the savings explicitly so partners can easily explain value. Co-host local events or short seminars with partners at community centers or online to demonstrate integrated home care tips, bring samples or quick demonstrations, and collect contact information with a consented sign-up form for follow-up. Trade testimonials and before and after case descriptions with partner permission, and turn those into short scripts partners can use when recommending you over the phone. Share service discounts through partner invoices or appointment reminder emails to create a low-friction path from partner service to pest control engagement. Track every referral source in your customer relationship system and measure conversion rates monthly so you can double down on the most productive partnerships and pause ones that do not perform. Common mistakes include vague referral terms that lead to disputes, which you fix by documenting responsibilities, payment timing, and lead qualification criteria in a simple written agreement. Another issue is overcomplicating bundles, so partners struggle to explain them, and the remedy is to limit bundles to one clear introductory option with an explicit price or % off and a short one-sentence benefit for the homeowner. A third concern is failing to follow up quickly on referred leads, and the cure is a standard operating procedure where a referred lead receives an initial contact within 24 hours and a scheduled callback window noted in the file. We operate BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for pest control and related services, and to help contractors find work through visible local listings. We also host a discussion community so members and pros can share experiences, ask questions, and discover partnership opportunities.